Hello, good morning students. Today is transcription number 218 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman, the subject matter of this bill is very interesting in the sense that it deals with certain institutions and institutional arrangements that have got a long history. In this country, there are many institutions, organizations, and religious endowments that were created as a result of the prevalence of the caste system and the organization of our community on a religious basis. These organizations and institutions were called upon to perform certain functions which we today associate with the welfare state. There was a time, sir, in the history of our nation when it was these religious organizations and institutions that undertook to discharge certain functions like imparting education to those who were not in a position either to pay for that education or were not in a position to go to the educational institutions for certain family reasons. In order that the bright young men and women could be helped in prosecuting their studies, it was found necessary that the religious organizations should step in by giving scholarships to the people belonging to a particular community or to a particular caste, and by helping the families of those persons who were thus engaged in educational pursuits during the period that they were so engaged. Similarly, when the poor families were not in a position to make two ends meet, the same religious endowments and other institutions and organizations stepped in to help these families. In this way, a large number of activities were undertaken by these charitable organizations and institutions at a time when the state was not prepared to undertake these responsibilities on its own shoulder. The question that now arises is whether we have reached a stage wherein it is possible for the state to step in and to undertake these very activities so that these religious organizations and institutions might not have to perform those functions. Connected therewith is also the question of whether the government should give its patronage to these organizations and institutions or whether the government should allow these organizations and institutions to function on their own. The bill only deals with the second part of the question, but the determination of the issue depends to a very great extent on what we consider to be our answer to the first part also.